How can you start a business wholesaling houses for less than $500? Well, I'll tell you how. Stand by. Let's get it. Hello guys, this is Ty, aka the Flip Man. How to start a business wholesaling houses for $500 or less. Before I get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notifications by tapping the little bell so you are alerted whenever I upload new videos like this one, and when we go live on Thursday nights with our live flipinars where we answer your questions about wholesaling real estate or just real estate investing, period. Also, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, at AskFlipMan. That's at AskFlipMan. On to the information. Okay, so understand this business boils down to generating leads to find great deals. You can get bogged down into the contracts and buyers and the title companies and all that stuff and end up not doing anything. Guess what? None of that won't matter. Even though all that information is free right here on my channel to understand every stage of the process, at the end of the day, it boils down to how many great deals you can place on the contract and cash buyers will be begging you for them. Okay, so it all starts with marketing and advertising yourself just like any other business. So let's break it down. Now, what I'm going to recommend to you is exactly what I've seen work over and over again. Now, technology has changed and it has made it a lot easier, but at the end of the day, the work still has to be put in. So we're going to start with getting a subscription of Dealulator, aka PropStream. Now, of course, that's my service, and I bring you don't have to do it. I'm just going to tell you why I think it'll be a benefit to you if you use it and understand it. That means watching the videos before you actually sign up for the 5-day free trial, so you won't get in there and get frustrated, say this doesn't work. No, you need to understand how to use it. And I have a number of videos on how you can use it to make money wholesaling or just real estate in general. All right, so after the 5-day free trial, that's $97. Okay, the purpose of what I'm discussing now is to build lists, but the reason you just don't go to ListSource or Melissa Data or any of those other services, because that's the only thing that they do. The Dealulator, aka PropStream, is going to allow you to evaluate properties by pulling comps. You're going to be able to identify who owners are. You're going to be able to see the transaction history, the mortgage history. All of that stuff is important when you're trying to negotiate an actual deal. Okay, but whenever you build a list, which I have videos on that, you're going to download that list and then you're going to upload it to this service called MoJo Dialer. Now, MoJo, even though Dealulator, aka PropStream, has a skip trades option, I have a better experience with MoJo Dialer in their reverse lookup feature. Now, what that service is an actual power dialing service / CRM, and it has a number of features in there. But the one that you should take advantage of, even if you don't use the power dialer service, is their $40 subscription a month for the reverse lookup. So now let's assume that you download a list from Dealulator and it's about 3,000 names on it. MoJo will pull anywhere from 30 to 50% of that list. So that's anywhere from 900 up to maybe 1,500 numbers. You can work that list for months because generally speaking, just the way the numbers play out from my experience and others that I know that do cold calling, you're going to need to call on average each number on there 7 to maybe 12 times before you get someone on the phone, and the numbers will just play out. Now, normally the way it works was as far as the number of people that want to sell and what turns into a deal, for every 25 to 30 people that you talk to turn into a deal. So now that's cold calling. So you're only at $137 right now. All right. The next thing is Bandit signs. Now you don't have to do Bandit signs. You can stop at that 137, and if you work that list, you'll find a deal in there, a great deal, if you work that list. Now, again, I have videos on how to build a list and who to actually target. So you can stop at the $137 with the $97 with Dealulator and the $40 monthly subscription with MoJoSales.com, MoJo Dollar. But I'm going to strongly recommend, because you really want to have multiple forms of lead generation, but it's just not a must that you do, because I only had one when I started, and that's Bandit signs. So the size and the number of Bandit signs that I recommend are 200 signs. You can go with one color. Now I'm going to show you 2 color and 1 color, but 2 color is going to be quite a bit more expensive, but they do pop more. But 1 color work. They worked for years for me. I just started going to two color maybe 2 or 3 years ago. All right, but 1 color, 18 by 24, but you want the portrait look, because that's going to look different than anyone else in your market for the most part. Then people probably start copying you, but whatever, it'll still work for you. As you can see here, you don't have to lay it out this way, but you want it to be significant. But using this particular size and using the portrait look, it allows you to place more information there to make it more traffic. Now, of course, you see on the signs, I have Dealulator.com as the website, shameless plug, and I have my phone number, which you can call or text me about coaching if my free videos are not enough, but whatever. So here's how I would suggest laying out Bandit signs. Now, again, you don't have to do them this way. You can get creative with it, but I think they look pretty good. All right, I recommend white, either red on white or blue on white. People like to go with black and yellow, that's fine, but I'm just telling you what has worked for me and what I preference, and just studies showed the human eyes are attracted to red first, blue second. Okay, so $325, and then you're going to need cable ties. I can normally find a pack of 500 from Home Depot for about $35. So with those 2 alone, so now you're at, what is that, $360. So if you add everything up, you're at $497. That gets you in the game if you do both. Again, you could do one or the other. I recommend doing both. Bam, that's starting a business, wholesaling houses for $500 or less. That $500, and just as a conservative number, say it turns into $5,000. You got a 900% ROI, which means return on investment. Where can you get that at? And we're talking in a 30 to 90-day period. Where can you get that type of return? So now part of that $5,000 obviously goes into your pocket, but now you want to do more marketing. Now you may do direct mail. That's another stream of leads. You may want to do Facebook ads or Google AdWords. You just keep adding on. So you have so many leads coming in now, you have a business that you're really running because you're making so much money. The business continues to feed itself. Like with anything, you have to manage the money or whatever, but it's a small amount as a marketing budget. You can add on a virtual assistant. It just keeps going and on because of the amount of money that you're generating from all of the great leads that you're generating also. So I hope this particular video helps. Again, subscribe to the YouTube channel, tap the little bell there to turn on the notifications, so you are alerted whenever I go live on YouTube and when I upload videos like this one. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at AskFlipMan. Also on Twitter, the same handle. Thanks, and we will see you guys on the flip side.